Hey everyone, welcome back to One Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add white background on your image using Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you have Canva on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Now open the app and sign in. On your screen, now you can see there's a small plus sign button. Tap on it and select the image you want white background in. Now tap the use in a new design. It's gonna take a few seconds, and guys, there you have it. There's the picture you want white background on. Tap on the picture, make it a bit small, drag it, and there's defaultly white background. Also, you can change the color of the background by tapping on the background and selecting the colors from default colors. And guys, that's it. That's how you add white background to the image in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.